10 amazing benefits of drinking baking soda water daily. Did you know that a simple kitchen ingredient can transform your health? Imagine feeling more energized, with better digestion and glowing skin, all from one powerful drink. Yes, we're talking about baking soda water. This everyday ingredient has incredible benefits that can improve your life in so many ways. Let's dive in. 1. A natural antacid. Baking soda helps neutralize stomach acid, making it an excellent remedy for heartburn and acid reflux. When mixed with water, it creates an alkaline solution that soothes the burning sensation in your chest. Many people experience frequent acidity due to poor diet and stress, but drinking baking soda water can provide quick relief. Instead of relying on over-the-counter antacids, try this natural remedy. Just half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water can work wonders for your digestive system. 2. Supports digestive health. If you often suffer from bloating, indigestion, or gas, baking soda water can be a game changer. It helps break down food more efficiently, ensuring better digestion. When your stomach has the right pH balance, it works more effectively, preventing discomfort and bloating. Regularly drinking baking soda water can help your body maintain an optimal digestive process. Just remember not to overdo it. Moderation is key for the best results. 3. Detoxifies the body. Our bodies accumulate toxins from processed foods, pollution, and stress. Baking soda water acts as a natural detoxifier, flushing out harmful substances and keeping your organs functioning properly. It helps cleanse the liver and kidneys, supporting overall well-being. Drinking a glass in the morning on an empty stomach can help kickstart the detox process, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. 4. Boosts energy levels. Feeling tired and sluggish? Your body might be too acidic. Baking soda helps restore the pH balance, making your cells function more efficiently. This means better oxygen flow, improved metabolism, and a natural boost of energy. Instead of reaching for caffeine, try a glass of baking soda water in the morning. You'll notice a difference in how energetic and alert you feel throughout the day. 5. Enhances skin health. Your skin reflects what's happening inside your body. Since baking soda helps remove toxins and balances pH levels, it naturally leads to clearer, healthier skin. It also has mild antibacterial properties, which can help reduce acne and breakouts. Drinking baking soda water hydrates your body from within, giving you that natural glow. You can also use it as a gentle facial cleanser to remove dirt and oil buildup. 6. Supports kidney health. Your kidneys work hard to remove waste from your body, but sometimes they need a little help. Baking soda reduces acid levels in the body, taking pressure off your kidneys. Studies suggest that it may even help slow the progression of kidney disease. If you want to keep your kidneys in top shape, consider drinking baking soda water in moderation. It's a simple yet effective way to support your body's natural filtration system. 7. Aids in weight loss. Struggling with weight management? Baking soda water can help. It aids digestion, reduces bloating, and even helps break down fat more efficiently. When combined with a healthy diet and exercise, it can be a useful addition to your weight loss journey. It's not a magic solution, but it definitely supports your metabolism and helps your body burn calories more effectively. 8. Fights infections. Baking soda has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help prevent infections. Drinking baking soda water creates an environment in your body where harmful bacteria and fungi struggle to survive. This can be particularly helpful in preventing urinary tract infections and other common bacterial infections. Staying healthy starts from the inside, and this simple habit can strengthen your immune system naturally. 9. Reduces muscle soreness. If you exercise regularly, you might experience muscle soreness due to lactic acid buildup. Baking soda helps neutralize this acid, speeding up recovery and reducing discomfort. Many athletes use baking soda to enhance performance and minimize fatigue. If you want to recover faster after workouts, a glass of baking soda water can be a great post-exercise drink. 10. Alkalizes the body. An overly acidic body can lead to inflammation, fatigue, and various health issues. Baking soda helps maintain an alkaline environment, reducing the risk of diseases like arthritis and osteoporosis. By drinking baking soda water, you're supporting your body's natural ability to heal and stay strong. It's an easy way to promote long-term health and well-being. Who knew such a simple ingredient could have so many incredible benefits? Baking soda water is an affordable, natural, and effective way to improve digestion, boost energy, detoxify, and support overall health.